last class what we did in the last class. Can you remember what we did in the last week? Matadri Kanda. I'm speaking with you only. Can you tell me what we did in the last week? Paper Tirugusi. Nobody. Another ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್? ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್?
Inclined rope.
Inclined ಆಯ್ತು, ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಡೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಡೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ based on pseudo force, right? So these are the concepts we did in this week. So we'll be having questions based on this. Serious about extract questions is based on that, right? And it all related to tomorrow and to tomorrow. Spring force, exactly. Spring force method. 100% of the spring force method. Right? So what I stopped today, till that you will be having a concept for your examinations. Right? Recall what we did in the last class. Recall I think I have did with one problem and one problem ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ two blocks connected with a spring and it is connected to one more block with rope. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can move forward. If you don't have any doubt related to that, we will move to the next problem, next kind of questions. No sir, very good, simple. So ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, keep in mind, if I want to tell that whether the spring is contrasting or relaxing or elongation, it depends only on the values. It does not depend on the figure. By seeing the figure, you should not judge whether it is contrasting or whether it is elongation. Yak sir anta kelidre reason ide sir. So direction of acceleration, it does not indicate the momentum of a body. We know that very seriously. Direction of acceleration does not decide whether the body is moving in that particular direction. If I want to tell the body is moving in a particular direction, what I need? Does the acceleration defines the momentum of a body? Direction of momentum of a body, acceleration direction helutta?
No sir.
No. Who will tell the direction of the motion of a body? Velocity. Velocity ಹೇಳ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Even though the body is moving in this direction, the accelerate may act opposite to that. Acceleration may happen opposite to that. That is called retardation. Velocity reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ acceleration, right? So that is the reason I'm telling you very seriously, don't judge the direction of an acceleration or don't judge the elongation or contraction based on the diagram what we have written in the last classes. Serious agreed? So this is about the last class. We will continue with the same. So next example, Tawana, we will take an example like this. The next case. First case is that when I have connected only with a spring. Second case is that I have connected with spring and a rope. Correct? Spring and a rope. And third case, Nodi, example number 3 in this. Example number 3 in this. Let me connect the block. Pulley tagotinando. I'll take a pulley here. I'll connect a block here. And it is passed over a pulley. So simple thing, and it is passed over a pulley and it is connected with a thread connect ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. And again it is connected with the spring with another box. Again it is connected with the spring to another box. Let me give the values for this. So one is 2 kg, other one is 3 kg. This box is 2 kg and this box is 3 kg and this box is, let me take it as 5 kg. 5 kg. In the question itself, they have given it is accelerating in this direction with an acceleration of. In the question itself, they have given the accelerating with an acceleration of. What is the acceleration they have given for this? 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. This body is accelerating in this direction with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. They are asking us to find acceleration of 2 kg block. Find acceleration of 2 kg block. They are asking us to find an acceleration of 2 kg block. This is the question. They are asking us to find out an acceleration of 2 kg block. If you done with the problem, done so that we can start solving a problem based on this. This problem solve Within 1 minute we can solve this. If I know the concept, 1-dimensional Madball problem, right? Start mada. So 17. Check it out, Mr. Puneet. 17 varla. Super. No. This is the condition. This is the block. I'll rewrite the diagram again. So this is 5 kg, and it is connected to a pulley. And this pulley is frictionless, and it is connected to one more block that is called 3 kg, and it is connected with a spring, and the mass of this is equals to 2 kg. Right, sir. Observe, Madi. They have given this acceleration A2 is equals to 2 meter per second square. They have given it as A2 is equals to 2 meter per second square. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ color change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. I'll write with a different color. Listen to me. If this is a block, the weight will be acting downwards. That weight is called as in 20 Newton. No doubt in this. This is a block and the weight is acting because of this is equal to 30 Newton. No doubt in this. So the tension in this box is equals to T, and the tension for this box is equals to T. The tension remains same, and acceleration of this block. Acceleration in block 2. It is connected with a wire. It is connected with a rope. Then the
2 meter per second square.
2 meter per second square. Super. 2 meter per second square.
2 meter per second square.
So this is also having the same acceleration, 2 meter per second square. They're asking us to find out an acceleration of this block. General formula. What is the general formula for this? Force which is responsible for momentum of this block. 20 plus 30.
15
Correct. 20 plus 30 is equals to mass of this block is equals to 2 into acceleration of this we have to find, plus mass of this block is equal to 3 and acceleration of that block is 2. So it will remain with 50. 50 is equals to 2 times of A1 plus 6. Correct.
Sir, how 20 plus 30, sir?
22 meter per second square, sir.
22 meter per second square, right? Yes, Priyanka.
How 20 plus 30?
20 plus 30. This is 20. Weight is acting downwards. This is 20.
So we won't take 5 kg block.
Sir, we're only finding about 2 kg.
2 kg. ಇಲ್ಲಿ acceleration find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ entire thing is moving ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Okay, sir.
Entire thing is moving down. So you have to add 20 plus 30 is a chalanamala force. The force which is responsible for momentum is 50 Newton.
Yes, sir.
And I should add one more force here. Innೊಂದು force add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 5 into 2. 5 into 2. So I'll get 10. So 10. So therefore 50 is equals to 2 times of A1 plus 16. So ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 50 minus 16 is equals to 2 times of A1. Therefore ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It will become 36 is equals to 2 times of A1. A1 is equal to 36 divided 34 divided by 2. So that is equals to 17. 17 ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಾನೆ, right? 17. Someone told 17, right? Right? 100% right, sir. 17. 17. Super Puneet. 17 is right. So we got an expression like this. Force which is responsible for momentum is 20 plus 30 is equals to 2 times of A1 is equal to plus 3 times of A2 plus 5 times of A2. 5 times of A2. So that is 2. So answer for this is equal to A1 is 17 meter per second square. 17 meter per second square. If they ask you to find out the tension, how you will find it? The tension find out ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? What is the tension here? Can you find out the tension here? What is the tension? 30 Newton acting downwards minus T is equals to 3 into 2. So 30 minus 6 is equals to T. Therefore, T is equals to 24 Newton. T is equals to 24 Newton. This is the tension. Super. Then can you find out the value of Kx? Kx value find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Can you find out the value of Kx here? Observe here. Find out the value of Kx. So 20 minus kx is equals to 2 times of 17. So kx is equals to 20 minus 34. So therefore kx is equals to what happens? Kx is equals to minus 14 Newton. Minus 14 Newton. Minus 14 Newton. I'm finding the value of kx here. Kx 20 minus kx is equals to 2 into 17. Sir, 10 Newton.
Sir,
20. Yes.
sir, tension 30 minus T is equal to 3 by 2. 3 into 2.
Correct. 30 minus T is equal to 3 into 2. Correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Tension we got it as 24. So next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ kx. Kx is nothing but 20 minus kx 2 into 17. I got minus 14. Right? If k is equals to 100 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If k is equals to 100, what is the value of x? 14 centimeter with minus a 14 centimeter with minus k is equal
Sir
to
means contraction ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ sir?
yes, it is contrasting. Minus indicating it is contrasting. It is not elongating. Elongation ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, contrast ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Done. I think I have solved all the kind of questions they may ask in this type. Actually, they ask us to find the value of 2 block kg, acceleration of 2 block kg. So we have solved remaining thing also. So that means we are done with all the concepts related to this particular diagram. Any doubt related to this? Shall we move to next concept? Sir. Yes. Any doubt related to this? No doubt in continue. Simple agide. What I follow. It's not a difficult task to find out the value of a1. Sir, 1 minute. T is equals to 5 into 2 na. T is equals to 5 into 2. Illi. T is equals to 5 into 2. No, this is not T. Mr. Junaid, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ. T is equal to 5 into 2 ಅಲ್ಲ. The entire force which is moving here is, this is T. T is equals to T minus 0 is equals to 5 into 2. 10 Newton ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Not get 10. So the entire system is, ಇದು ಕೂಡ accelerating ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That one thing. Right. The entire system is moving in this direction. T will find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so you will get T is equals to 30 Newton is acting downwards for this block. 30 Newton. T is minus 0. ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ T minus 0 is equals to 5 into 2. 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Getting 10 here. Correct. So T is equals to T minus 0 is equals to T is responsible force is equals to 5 into 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. We cannot take it as directly. ತಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು we cannot take it as directly. This is accelerating with different one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ accelerating is different one. We cannot consider this as an acceleration.
Connected with the spring, right, sir?
Correct. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Junaid, what you are doing the mistake is that the same thing is not it's accelerating here, but the same acceleration is not happening here. Same acceleration ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂದ. You have to consider the acceleration of each and every block here. The acceleration changes. That's the reason we cannot calculate here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you get a confusions while calculating here. But if I calculate here, I can find out the T value. It is accelerating with a different acceleration. The entire thing in move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Sir,
Yes, Junaid.
sir,
ಹೇಳಿ.
sir, second block ಅಲ್ಲಿ FS act ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ sir?
Second block ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Force of spring, sir. You did not consider it.
second block ಅಲ್ಲಿ FS act ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Sir,
Simple
so we
thing.
can-
Why I am not considering ಅಂದ್ರೆ I am finding only the tension of this. Tension ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. F ಇಲ್ಲಿ act ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 30.
Yes, sir. Wait.
30 Newton is acting downwards. I'm just calculating the tension of this.
Sir, force of spring also acting now, sir.
ಯಾಕಾಗಿ
So-
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾ ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಸ್ kx
ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 5 into 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
right kx also we have to find out the kx is also very good. So kx na find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the value of kx? We got -14. So kx is 14. Right sir, we'll get yes. First block is very easy for us. Tension we will calculate like this. T is -0 is equals to 5 into 2. So right we didn't consider that. 10 Newton. Tension is 10 Newton. We'll drop the tension calculate for springs. So next we'll consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ we will get 30 minus 14 is equals to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Here also we can calculate, right sir. 10 Newton is 100%. Sorry, 10 Newton. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. So while finding the tension, everything remains same. Except tension, everything is remains same. Calculate the tension here itself. T is equals to 10 Newton. Right?
FS
Can we
is-
move?
Sir,
Can we
FS
move?
we got FS we got -14 no sir.
-14. This is -14. Acting on this is -14 and this is also -14.
Sir, so we consider direction is opposite.
Opposite. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is acting in this direction. Actually acting ಆಗಿರೋದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ FS.
Yes
Right.
sir.
FS is acting opposite to that. We will not consider this direction. We will consider this direction for FS. Minus ಬಂತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ. Minus indicates that kx is not acting in this direction. Instead of that, kx is acting in this direction. E direction.
Yes sir.
E direction kx ಇದೆ ಈಗ. Actually acting kx is like this because we got 14 ಬಂತು. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 minus t 30 minus t minus 14 is equals to 3 times of a 2. That is 3 times of a 2, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ. 30 minus t minus 14 is equals to 6. So 30 minus t plus 14 is equal to 6. ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 36 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No, we are not getting tension here. T
Sir, we have to take +14.
plus 14. Right, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. plus 14. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. plus 14. Still we are not getting 10.
Sir, plus into minus no sir.
Correct sir. Minus ಆಯ್ತು. Minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ. ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
30 minus 14, 16.
16 minus t is equal to 6. Therefore t is equals to 10 Newton. Right sir. We got back to 10. One force actually ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. Shall we move to next concept?
Yes sir.
Very good. Tension calculate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ so that we can find, right? So next concept is cutting of spring. Cutting of spring. Cutting of spring. Cutting of spring. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. First one condition ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What are happening for this? So let me assume that a block is connected with a wire. This is rigid support. This is rigid support, completely rigid support. A block is connected with a rope. A block is connected with a rope, right? So next, this block is connected with one more block with spring. This block is connected with one more rope, one more block with spring, and again it is connected with rope. One more block is connected here. And again it is connected with a rope. Let me name this as M1 and let me name it as M2 and this as M3. M3. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. The mass of the first block is M1 and mass of the second block is M2 and mass of the third block is M3. M3. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೇಗ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್
M1G.
M1 into G and tension in this is equals to T na. T is the tension in this, let me call it as T1 and tension which is acting in this direction is T2 sorry T1 because it is a rope it remains same, there is no tension in this. So therefore illi act the force it is equals to M2 into G na. The force which is acting downwards is called as M2 into G, correct? Suppose it is in equilibrium, this is in equilibrium, this is in equilibrium. Assume this is in equilibrium. Equilibrium means it is not moving. The entire system is in equilibrium now. What happens here? The Kx will be acting upwards. Kx will be acting upward. If it is in equilibrium, what is the value of Kx? If it is in equilibrium, what is the value of Kx?
Fs.
Kx value is M1G plus M2G na. Equilibrium alide kanda. Entire system is in equilibrium. M1G
Yes, sir, yes,
plus
sir.
M2G should be equals to Kx. Therefore, Kx is equal
Yes,
to M1 plus M2 into G. No doubt in this also. Equilibrium idaga, the force which is acting upward should be actually equal to the force which is acting downward. Right? Any doubt here? No doubt. I am considering this is an equilibrium. Next mail hogana. The Kx is acting downwards in this, and thus Kx is also equals to this. Kx is also equals to M1 plus M2 into G. No doubt in this. Correct? So one more force is acting downwards here. That is called M3G. M3G is acting downwards. If it is in equilibrium, the tension which is created here is T2, and that T2 should be equals to this 2 na. Correct? It should be equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G na. Any doubt related to the force which I have written? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು equilibrium condition ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. M1G is acting downwards and tension is acting upwards. Second thing consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ M2G is acting downwards and if it is in equilibrium Kx, the Kx should maintain this two in equilibrium, right? So Kx is equals to M1 plus M2 into G. So then Kx which is acting downwards is equal to M1 plus M2 into G and M3G is also acting downwards. Therefore the total tension in this is equals to this two, M3, M1, M2, M3, M2, M1 into G ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Any doubt up here? ಬೇಗ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Very good. No doubt. I'll write the block again here. I'll write the blocks again here. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. At the same level, I'll write this. This is M3 and it is connected with a spring. And it is connected with a spring M2 here and it is connected with a rope M1 here. Correct. M1 here. Right? Right? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. The same diagram I have written again. What I will do, I'll cut this. I'll cut this. I'll cut this. What happens now? ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ changes ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I'll cut this provided I'll write the readings at the time of cut. I'll write the components, I'll write the forces at the time of cut, not after cutting. Cut ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm just writing when I cut that what happens. I'm not giving a time to elongate. I'm not giving any time to elongation of the spring where force act ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. At the time of cut I am doing the resolutions of the weight. Observe ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ downward force ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Obviously that is called M1G na. M1G na. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tension cut ಆದ್ರೆ the tension in this rope is equals to 0 na. If cut ಆದ್ರೆ there will be a no tension. Correct? There will be a no tension. Then it will start to move in this direction with an acceleration of A1 na. Then it will try to move in the downward direction with an acceleration A1. That A1 is equals to G ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It become a freely falling body. It cut ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The entire mass will move towards downward with an acceleration of A1. That A1 is equals to G. No doubt in this. Let me go for block number 2. Block number 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ tension here is 0. No doubt here. Tension in this is equals to 0. What happened for the block 2 now? Entire system ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Even the mass is acting downwards, that is called M2G. The weight is acting downwards, that is equals to M2G. The entire system ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್
Three
ಡೌನ್,
terms.
Upward.
ಡೌನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್.
Upward.
Upward.
Superb. Accelerating in this direction. Let me call it as A2. Correct? Accelerate in the upward direction. Let me call it as A2. This box will move towards upward. It is called as an A2. Superb. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. What is Kx here? Kx observe ಮಾಡಿ. Kx observe ಮಾಡಿ. Whether the body moves with only because of M2 or because of M1 also.
Because of M1 also.
Because of M1 also.
Because of M1 also. If cut ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ because of M1 also it is moving up. So therefore Kx is equals to, it remains same. M1 plus M2 into G ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. M1 plus M2 into G ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because of M1 also it is moving up. And Kx here is also acting, that is very much equal to Kx is equals to M1 plus M2 into G. M1 plus M2 into G. And weight is acting downwards because of this weight. So that is called M3G. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, still it is in equilibrium. This system is in equilibrium now. I'm not given any time to relax. It is in equilibrium. Therefore, T2 remains with the same force of M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G na. Answer. What is the change happened when I cut this? Cut ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. This block is moving up with an acceleration A2. This block is moving with an acceleration A2. We will find out that acceleration A2 find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. So next thing is that E box ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, it is in equilibrium. Correct? Are you getting my point? At the time of cut, I am calculating everything at the time of cut. Any doubt related to this concept?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No
doubt, sir.
I repeat the concept very seriously. It is ತುಂಬಾ important ನೋಡಿ. Cut ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ block A1, block M1 moves with an acceleration G, and this block moves up with an acceleration A2, and this block is in stationary. This block is stationary. That means the tension in the rope is equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ M1 plus M2 into G ಆಗಿದೆ? Downward forces ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. M1 plus M2 into G plus M3G. Total downward force should be equals to total upward force. Sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is in equilibrium. One by one ಬರೆಯೋಣ. For block M1. For block M1. For M1, what happening? Observe here. For block M1, force which is responsible for momentum is M1 into G is equals to M1 into A. Correct? Is equals to M1 into A because opposing force is 0. Opposing force is 0. M1G minus 0 is equals to M1 into A na? Sir. M1 get cancelled. Therefore, A1 is equals to G. I got mathematically. A1 is equals to G. Any doubt related to this? I think no. Very simple ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಂತು. For second block, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. For M2, observe for M2. Observe for M2. Force which is responsible for momentum is
KX.
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 Nothing but M1 plus M2 into G. Opposing forces M2G na?
M2G.
M2G, opposing force is M2G is equals to M2 into A2 na? M2 into A2. So ಇದನ್ನ expand ಮಾಡಿ M1G plus M2G minus M2G is equals to M2A. M2A2. This M2G get cancelled. It remains with M1G is equals to M2A2. Therefore, A2 is equals to what happens? M1 by M2 into G na? Into G na? I got the value for M1 by M2 into G. So if they ask you to find out the value of acceleration of second block, what you will do? M1 divided by M2 into G. Katham. Problem is too simple again. Within 30 seconds we can do the problem if you know this concept very seriously. Now box hakirodu ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. You can do the problem based on this. Whatever the box I put, the box acceleration of first block G, acceleration of second block is M1 by M2 into G, acceleration of third block na find out maada for block M3. For M3 acceleration is equals to 0. For M3 acceleration is equals to 0. Why it is 0? The forces are balancing. Forces are balancing. Balance force are there. The forces are balancing. Hence the acceleration of this third block is 0. Any doubt related to this? What is an acceleration of the lowest block? ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ block acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ g. What is an acceleration of the second block? Middle block the acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? What is an acceleration of the middle block? m1 by m2 into g. What is an acceleration of the topmost block?
0.
0.
0. So what you have to remember from this example? You have to remember the acceleration of the blocks. They will ask you to find out an acceleration of the blocks. But it is a patent problem, sir. Within 30 seconds we can solve a problem if they give this kind of problem. What is an acceleration of the below block? G. What is an acceleration of the middle block?
m1 by m2 into g.
M1 by M2 into G.
select ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. m1 m2 select ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. m1 m2 select ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ m1 m2 ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Don't remember like m1 and m2. Remember lower block divided by middle block. Lower block divided by middle block. Try to remember like this. Lower block divided by middle block into G. Right? Lower block divided by middle block into G. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ m1 ಇದನ್ನ m2 ಇದನ್ನ m3 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. What you will do now? Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? m1 m2 m3 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ m1 m2 m3 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ you will get confused. So remember lower block divided by middle block into G. Problem ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Yes, sir.
Super. You have to write all the forces and derive. You have to write all the forces and derive. Wait up. Problem ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ forces ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು calculations, right? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
I'll write the diagram here. Block connected with spring, connected with block, connected with spring, connected with block. So the mass of the first block is 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. Istake ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ sir diagram. The arrangement is as shown in the diagram. They will give only this much. The arrangement as shown in the diagram. The arrangement is as shown in the diagram. If the rope is cut, what is the acceleration of the third block? If the rope is cut, what is the acceleration of the third block? Forces ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಾ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
20 by 3.
Acceleration of second block is 2 by 3 into 10.
20 by 3.
20 by 3. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? What the time we have taken to calculate this? 20 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು? Nothing. 2 by 3 into 10. 2 by 3 into 10. 20. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲಿ ಅಂತ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. 20 Newton acting downwards. 30 Newton acting downwards. What is the tension here? ಈ tension ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? P ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that P is equal to 20 na. Any doubt?
When it is at rest.
20 equilibrium ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 20 and this also will be remains with the same T. 20 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 30 Newton ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That kx is equals to ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? What is the value of kx? m1 plus m2 into g.
50.
m1 plus m2 into g ಅಂದ್ರೆ 550.
50.
50 Newton is the kx.
50 Newton.
50 Newton is kx, and here also 50 Newton is kx. Kx is equals to 50 Newton, and 50 Newton is acting downwards. 50 Newton is acting downwards, and the tension here is equals to 100 Newton.
Yes, sir.
100 Newton. Correct. If they ask you to find out the total here, it is equals to 100 Newton. If they ask you to find out the kx, 50 Newton. If they ask you to find out the tension here is 50 Newton, 10 Newton, sorry, 20 Newton. 20 Newton. Is cut aito. It is cut now. Cut aito. It is moving with an acceleration of
Yeah.
yes,
G.
20
10
is
10 per second.
opposing force is 0 is equals to 2 into 10. Sorry, we have to find out the acceleration only, right? 2 into A. So A is
Sir,
equal
fuel
to
flame body A is equal to G.
20
P
by 2
is equal to G10.
10 meter per second square. Calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Direct formula ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ A is equals to 10 meter per second square ಬರುತ್ತೆ because it is moving with an acceleration due to gravity. So in the acceleration find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. A2 acceleration find out. To find out the acceleration of A2, we have a formula 2 by 3 into 10. Lower mass divided by middle mass. Lower mass divided by middle mass into 10. So it is equals to 20 by 3. Here acceleration is equals to 0. Any doubt with this?
Sir,
No doubt, sir.
spring cut ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ sir, middle spring cut ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
Next to spring cut ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ sir. Here rope cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, what happens we saw, and we will cut the spring now. One by one. Okay?
Okay sir.
Right. Spring cut ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. Don't take tension. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬೇಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. They will ask only to find out the acceleration of middle block. Don't take tension. ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. They will ask you to find out only the acceleration of the middle block. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ acceleration of topmost block is 0. Correct? Acceleration of topmost block is 0. Instead of this, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು rope. The mass of this is m and the mass of this is 3m. Mass of this is m and mass of this is 3m. This is cut here. This is cut. What is the acceleration of this box? Acceleration of this box.
2m.
3m.
3 sir.
3m. 3g na? Not ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. What is the acceleration of this block? Lower mass divided by mass into g. mm cancel. G by
Sir,
3.
10 by 3m.
10 by 2.
ಅಥವಾ 10 by 3. 10 by 3. ಅಥವಾ g by 3. Any doubts sir here? ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್. ರೋಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರೋಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Rope accelerating upward. This block will accelerate up. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಪ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? Why it goes up ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, when weight is hacked, equilibrium ಇದ್ದಾಗ the tension will be created.
The tension because of
Inside the rope. That tension will make that body to move up. Initially up ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ reason. That is the reason for that. Any doubt with this kind of questions? Rope ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ accelerate up. ಈಗ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. First diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು analysis ಮಾಡೋಣ. What are the things we have to remember in this? Let me write the diagram and we will analyze what we have to remember this. Cutting of spring ಈಗ. Case 2. Case 2. Cutting of spring ಅಲ್ಲಿ case 2. Cutting of sorry. Cutting of spring ಅಲ್ಲಿ case 2. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Rigid support in the spring. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Rope ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, spring ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, don't take tension. Rigid support in the spring. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ rope ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So I have to connect with the rope. Yes, exactly. I have to connect with the rope now. Rope ಇಂದ connect ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next again it is connected with the spring. Again it is connected with the spring. M3 mass, M2 mass, M1 mass. M3, M2, M1 mass. No, what are the things we have to remember? ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. Yes, I took a different color here. Yes, it is there. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Where is our regular talking students? Pramara is here. Okay, fine. Doubt ಇದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
No doubt sir.
I need response from everybody. No sir. Very good. Super. No doubt. What is the force acting downwards? M1
1 into G.
M1 G. So equilibrium is This is in equilibrium.
Sir, in all the case, the springs are in equilibrium, sir.
Right. First initially equilibrium irutte, ಆಮೇಲೆ cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. First initially it is equilibrium and then they will cut. Right?
Okay, sir.
Kx here is m1 into g na. Kx here is m1 into g na.
Yes, sir.
Kx here is also equals to m1 into g. Kx here is also equals to m1 into g. Superb. Weight acting downwards because of this. This is m2g. Therefore, tension which is created here is equals to T1. Let me call it as T1. T1 is equals to what is the tension here? M1 plus M2 into G na.
Into G.
M1 plus M2 into G. Equilibrium agide. Upward force should be equals to downward force. So the tension T1 remains same here. That is also equals to M1 plus M2 into G. M1 plus M2 into G. And the spring force acting in this direction Kx is equals to M3G is acting downwards here. M3G is acting downwards here. Kx is equals to same M1 plus
G. M1 plus M2.
M3 into G. Same forces ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ same kind ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ next observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ diagram ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ KX ಬರುತ್ತಾ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂದ
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ M3 ಹತ್ರ
ಹತ್ರ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಾನೆ
ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ KX is equal to M1.
this is spring ಇದ್ದಾಗ KX ತಾನೆ ಬರೋದು.
Yes, sir.
Next we will rewrite the diagram and cut the spring. Spring na cut ಮಾಡಿ
Sir, for diagram of that equilibrium.
This is for equilibrium. Next we will cut the spring cut ಮಾಡಿ. So again it is connected with the spring M1.
So when we
cut
cut
ಮಾಡಿ.
the string, so
Yes, Priyanka.
So
Yes.
when we cut the spring, the second mass will rebound to a greater with a greater force, right? So because spring
No,
will be
yeah. We will think what happens now. Let me cut the spring and we will go by the bottom. We'll go one by one. We'll think what happens now, right? Let me cut the spring first. Spring is cut here. Straight up, spring cut, right? Let me take the different color. M1G is acting downwards. Obviously, it is moving downwards with an acceleration A1. That A1 is equals to G. Here, spring force is 0. Correct? Spring force is 0. Then the weight acting downwards, that is called M2G. And this thing will move up. Because it won't spring it. This thing will move up. If cut ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ obviously it will move up. Correct? With an acceleration A2. We have to find out that acceleration A2. We will find out that. It's not a big deal. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. T is equals to ಇಲ್ಲಿ tension ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ. This is big task. What is a T here?
M2G.
M2G ಇರುತ್ತಾ? T here is equals to M2G. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ T ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. T ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ M2G ಇರುತ್ತೆ M1G ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. T ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ what is the value of T?
M2G.
Not ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Does it moves only because of M2 or because of M1?
1 plus M2 into G.
Sir, M1 plus M2 into G.
M1 plus M2 into G ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್. M1 plus M2 into G ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ spring. What is the spring force now? Does it changes? No, it is in equilibrium. It will try to remain in equilibrium. M3G is acting downwards. Therefore, the spring Kx is equals to ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? What is the difference from there here ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There is no A to here. ಈ ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. They start to move with same acceleration because it is connected with rho. Previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ M2 is moving with different acceleration and M3 is moving with zero acceleration. That is the only difference from there to here. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ M2 M3 ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ M2 M3 ಇಲ್ಲ. This entire system is moving with an acceleration now. A. ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ A ಇಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ a. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ m1 m1g acting downwards is equals to m1 into a1. So therefore m cancel, a1 is equals to g. It is moves with an acceleration g, no doubt in this. For m1 plus m2 block continuation ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ because they also moves with the same acceleration. Net force is equals to, ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, F net is equals to m1 plus m2 into a2 ನ ಅಥವಾ a ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ because we don't have a2 ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, a ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a2 ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, don't take tension, a2 ನೇ ಬರೀರಿ because the both will move with the same acceleration into. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ F net ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, what is the F net for this? Observe carefully and tell me what is the F net. F net ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. m2g acting downwards, m2g acting upwards, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, m2g and m2g get cancel. What is left? m1g na? ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್. m2g and m2g get cancel. What is remain here? m1g. Force, net force is equals to m1g ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರು. Are you getting my point? ಇಲ್ಲಿ upward force m1g, m2g, opposite force m2g and m2g get cancelled. What is remaining here? m1g ತಾನೆ? Net force is m1g.
Yes, sir.
Is equals to m1 plus m2 into a2. Find the value of a2. a2 is equals to m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. They'll ask you to find out the value of a2. So we can find out the value of a2 by using a formula, m divided by m1 plus m2 into g. m divided by m1 plus m2 into g. Any doubt here?
Sir, m3 ಗೆ acceleration ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
m3 also moves with the same acceleration. a2, because they are connected with the rope, they move with the same acceleration. Both should move with the same acceleration. Rope are
Sir,
connected.
why we can't take m2 and m3, sir?
Yes, we have taken is m2 plus m3. m1 plus m2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sorry.
Yes,
M2
sir.
Sorry. m2 plus m3. m2 plus m3. m2 plus m3. m2 and m3 are moving with the same acceleration. m2 and m3 are moving
Sir,
with the
then
same.
Fn is
Sir,
equal to m2 plus m3 into a2.
Then a2 is equal to m2 by m2 plus m3.
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ m1 m2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ m2 plus m3. ಸಾರಿ m2 plus m3. m2 plus m3. m1 divided by m2 plus m3. Correct.
Sir, चलाने वाला is kx and रुकने वाला is m2g, no sir?
Correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ kx ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನೇ t.
Sir, for net we are taking no sir. Sir, body system method that you said no sir.
ಈ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ತಗೋ.
Yes sir.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು t ನ.
Sir, TT internal forces will get cancelled no sir. TT only kx minus m2g we have to take no sir.
ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕಂಡ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ನಿಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ m1 plus m2 into 3 g. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೇನು m1 plus m2 m3 into g. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m1 plus m2 into m3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ g ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m3g ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು m1g ನೇ ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೋದ್ರು. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಇದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m1 plus m2 m3 into
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಂದು kx ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಂದು m2g ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ TT ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ನಾವು?
ಬೇಡ, ತಗೋ TD ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. TD ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ.
ಸರ್, ನಾವು kx minus m2g m3g plus m2g
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. m1 m2 plus m3 into g ಮೇಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಇದು?
Yes sir.
ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್? m3g plus m2g.
Sir.
m3g
M2G plus M3G.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್? M3G
Yes, sir, correct.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Yes, sir.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ M3G M2G ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, M3G M2G ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ M1G ತಾನೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ M1G ನ ಉಳಿತಲ್ಲ. ಮಾರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ M1G ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Any doubt related to this?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. M2 ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ A2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Diagram is this 3. It is connected with rope and it is connected with mass again. Let me give the masses 1 to 5 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg. Same block. 5 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg. This is 5 kg. This is 3 kg. This is 2 kg. Find acceleration of this. Find acceleration of this. This acceleration find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ formula ಏನು? Lowest mass divided by sum of the masses into G. So that is equals to 20/8. ಅಲ್ವದಲ್ಲ? 20/8.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. 2.5.
2.5, sir.
Lowest mass divided by sum of mass into G. Lower mass divided by sum of mass into G. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, M1 plus M2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂತು. M2 plus M ಸಿಕ್ತು.
A1 10 ಅಲ್ಲ sir?
A1 10. This is 10. This is moving with acceleration 10 meter per second square. It is moving with G.